In this video, we'll show you how to replace an ink tank for your LG-P800 label printer. Let's get started. When an ink tank is low or in need of replacement, you will see a warning on the operation panel screen. Select the yellow New Notice warning on the top of the home screen. Select the ink warning in the notice list. Select Current Estimated Ink Levels. You can also get directly to this section of the menu by selecting the ink display area on the home screen. Next, select Replace. Open the ink tank cover for the ink tank color that needs to be replaced. Press the tip of the ink tank lock lever horizontally and pull it up to open it. Remove the ink tank. Dispose of the used ink tank according to the local regulations. When installing a new ink tank, shake it side to side before opening the packaging. Make sure to install the ink tank of the correct color in the correct orientation. Close the ink tank lock lever to finish the installation. Close the ink tank cover when finished. Select OK to proceed. Ink tank replacement is finished when the low ink warning is cleared from the home screen. One quick warning: if you turn off the printer when an ink tank is completely empty, you will need to replace that ink tank first before you can go back to the printer's home screen. You will see an error screen with the ink warning during the printer startup sequence. Select OK to proceed. Follow the ink tank replacement procedure in the early part of the video. Congratulations! This completes the ink tank replacement for your Canon LG-P800 Label Printer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.